So I will load the remaining mesh files. Here I'm loading the positive and now the negative mesh files. And I will start by selecting the statistical mask and selecting on the eye here. And now you get to see the 3D mouse brain. I will scroll down in this menu to the bottom and change the background color. Now I will go in the same menu a little bit up to change the color of the mesh file by changing to solid color, edit. It's white already, so it's good. Now I will change the opacity to get like a transparent look. So this is nice. Now I will visualize the positive statistical map, and I will change the color for this to red. And I will visualize by clicking on the eye, the negative statistic map, and I will change the color to blue. So this is nice. This is what I wanted. And it actually makes a lot of sense. If you previously visualize your statistical maps, then you will see that you have to verify that this is correct and that this makes sense. So for me, I did find a lot of negative slopes in the olfactory bulbs, so it makes sense. Now I will save a screenshot by going to File, Save a Screenshot. I'm going to save this here in the meantime. And to create an animation, what you do is you go to View, Time Inspector, View, Animation View. And here at the bottom, you click on Animation View. You change this to Camera. You change this to Follow Path. And you change this to Real Time and ignore this. And click here on the plus sign. So now you click on Play. And you will see an animation. So to save this animation, you go to File, Save Animation, and you have to make sure you are using a video format. Now it's exporting the animation, it's done. So I will see first the image. This is how it looks. And now the animation. You can create more sophisticated animations with this software. However, I don't know how to do that, and you can look for tutorials on YouTube.